I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about our roof water tank. As you can check out, I have this our roof water tank. As you can check out this one, and when it's get full, it starts spilling water on the outside, and this is very bad for us because if we are misusing or spoiling the water's usability, then it's very bad for us. But how we can stop that, and you don't have to worry about anything, and it costs you very less than your problems. So today we're gonna let you know about this. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and what we need for that I'm gonna let you know. But keep in mind that it works best if you don't need any kind of motor for filling your water tank. And as you can check out this thing, you can check out this thing is the best for this one, because as you can check out, it can be installed in your water tank like this from this option, and after that it will be like that. And when the water get up, as you can check out, think that water is coming up and this ball is lifted up. As you can check out, it stops working. It close the lid over here. As you can check out this one, this lid is closed, that means your water tank is off like this. Now no water out from over here. So I get up on the roof and gonna tell you that how I have installed. As you can check out, I have installed this ball cap or ball tap or whatever it is called, ball wall or any kind of thing. You can check out in the description below, find out over there. As you can check out, I have installed this one like this, and when my tank was automatically full of water, as you can check out, its tap automatically stopped working. And it's kind of a good thing that I don't have to worry about anything. And if you are using a submersible or any kind of a pump to fill your water tank, be careful about that, because it may damage your motor if it will keep running and your tank is full and your tap is closed. So it may harmful for that too. But if you have a simple system, then it's very good, and you can use this kind of in your land water tanks or any roof tank water tanks as you wish. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to.